Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, where here it is, Microsoft's new browser. The Microsoft Edge, based on the Chromium engine, is available for download. So we were wondering if it was coming from a Windows update or a manual download. It's a manual download. So simply go to this website. I'll post the link in the description below the video. Click download. If you have other versions, you can click. It's available for Android, iOS, Mac OS, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and Windows 10. So check that out. Download. It will actually choose the correct version for you. You click on the file. It will download the file. It will, of course, ask you to accept and download. Click accept and download. Once it's downloaded, you'll see the download going through. Execute that download. And you will have this showing up. This is actually the browser now installed. Quick curiosity here. It is version 79.0.309.65. So this is Edge with the Chromium engine 79, version 79, which is behind the official versions we have on the Insiders. So this is the new browser. We have a full review. We'll show you some of the features that will be coming up today. So, of course, if you're interested in knowing. So click the link in the description below the video and download away for the new Edge browser, stable version now available officially from Microsoft. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.